Hello students, continue with our subject permutations and combinations. Second method of the sum. See the students, here only change is 0. In last lecture we have not including in number a 0. So some different point of view this sum is also we have studied. Using all the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 formed 3 digits number. See the students, in last lecture 4 digit is given and we get 4 digit numbers. But here 7 digit is given and we get only on 3 digits number. Out of that 4 option is given. First, how many such numbers can be made? So we can say out of 7, 3 digits number, how many number is getting here? After, second options, how many of them will be odd numbers? Means in last class, or you may say last digits, put at odd numbers, you may say 1, 3 or 5. In last lecture, we are finding even numbers. How many of them will be divisible by 5? See the students, it is not sum because here including 0 and last lecture we are not including 0. So something different point of view we studied this sum. How many of them will be greater than 330 numbers? So starting with sum, the students, option number 1, we can start from option number 1. In option number 1, starting with theoretical portions, using all the digits, all the digits means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Hence, first class cannot be filled up by 0. See the students, here clearly says in a first class cannot be filled up by 0. If we put up in first class 0, then we can get only 2 digits number, but we can find 3 digits. So first class cannot put with 0 numbers. After that, first class can be filled up one, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, any of the 6 number. So we can get 3 digit numbers. This arrangement can be done. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. 6 P1 ways. Out of 6 number, any of the number we can put at first class. Then remaining 2 class filled with then remaining 2 digits, or you may say remaining 2 plus can be arranged in remaining 2 plus in remaining numbers is 6 P2 ways. See the students, we put the graph here. Here place number 1, 2 and 3. In place number 1 we can arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So we can write here 6p one ways. And out of 2 plus, out of 3, 2 plus is filled up with any of the numbers out of 6 because one number is used here. Now 180 ways. Now in second option, what is the second option? How many of them will be odd numbers? See the students, we find the odd numbers if odd numbers to be formed using odd digit, then 1, 3 and 5 should be at last place. And first place cannot be filled with 0. See the students, in first condition last place is put 1, 3 or 5, and second condition first place not filled with 0. After that this arrangement can be done five p one ways. See the students, 1, 3 and 5 out of any of one numbers is put at last place. Remaining 5 numbers is put at remaining 5 numbers means suppose we can use first one number is last place and 3 and 5 is remaining out of 2, 4 and 6. Total 5 number is used here. So we write is 5p1 ways. Students, here first of all we write these 3, 1, 3 and 5, so 3p1 ways, and for 0 we used 5p1 because in first class 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 any of the number we can put. Remaining one place. See the students, here middle place is remaining, So we write one digit can be arranged in remaining one place. See the students, remaining numbers is put at middle place. So we have 5 number is remaining. So we write here 5p one ways. Here we arrange here we put it last place. Out of 3 numbers, 1, 3 and 5. At first number not put 0, so we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we write students 6 numbers, but one number is used here. So we here write 5p1 in middle, also 5p1 because here 5 number is also remaining, and last 3p1. So we write total permutations is equal to 5p1 into 5p1 and 3p1. So student, 5p1 means 5, also 5p1 means 5, and last 3p31 means 3. So we write 75 ways we arrange this. Now option number 3. In option number 3, students, how many of them will be divisible by 5? So same here. If number divisible by 5 are to be formed, using all digits. Last class filled with 0 or 5. Now condition number 1. If last place filled by 0, then remaining 2 places can be filled up by 6p 2 ways. See the students, here we do last place filled with 0, so we write here 1p1, and remaining 2 plus, and remaining 2 plus, out of 3 remaining 2 plus which filled with another numbers, remaining numbers is 6, means 6p2 is. After condition number 2, if last class filled up by 5, but first class cannot be filled by 0. Remaining 1 class can be filled five p1 ways. See the students, here we made last class filled with 5, so we write 1p1 ways. First class not filled with 0, so we can use here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. How many numbers? 5, so we write here 5p1. And remainings means in middle we also use remaining numbers, means one is used here and one is used here. Now 5 numbers is remaining, so we write 5p1. Total permutations is equal to 5p1, 5p1 and 1p1. So we write 5 into 5 into 1, so 25 ways. So students, one also be put here. First 6p2 into 1p1 plus, because we have two options, one is 0 and one is 5. 0 means 6p2, 1p1 and another 5p1, 5p1 and 1p1. So students, here 6 into 5 into 1, here 5 into 5 into 1. So 6 into 5, 30 plus 5 into 5, 20. So 55 ways. After option number 4. See the students, in option number 4 also is two options, because how many of them will be greater than 330? First of all we write if numbers greater than 330 are to be formed. here option number first, if here option number first plus can be filled by, see the students, here we greater than 330 numbers we find. So first number we put 4, 5 and 6 numbers. So it can be 3p1 ways. And remaining 2 class with 6p 2 ways. See the students, here we put graph for that 3 numbers, more so 3 plus. First plus filled with 4, 5 and 6, so 3p1, and remaining 2 plus, and we have number total 6, so 6p2. In that option number 2, if first plus can be filled by 3. See the students, here we use 4, 5 and 6. Now in option number 3, first class we used 3 numbers, and second class 4, 5 or 6. And last class remaining digits. See the students, here we also use a first place is 3 because of we want to more than 330 numbers. So we put first number 3 means 1p1, second number means more than 3. More than 3 means 4, 5, 6 means 3p 1 ways, and remaining numbers means 5 numbers. So we'll here write last class remaining numbers means 5 numbers. We put a graph here, so many shortage of place, so we make a graph here in a very short way. See the students, 3 in first place, so we write 1p1, second class 4, 5 and 6, so 3p1 ways, and remaining 5 numbers is 5p1 ways. So now we find total permutations option number 1, 3p1 into 6p2 plus here 1p1, 3p1 and 5p1. So we write here 3, 6p2 means 6 into 5, 1 into 3 into 5. See the student, 6 5s are 30 and 90 plus 15. So we write here 1 0 5 ways. See the students, very long sum. Most of the options is put here. So we take carefully of this sum, is most important sum for you.